Hello children, welcome to Raval online classes. Today I am here to discuss with you the format of formal as well as informal letters. First of all, I would like to tell you about the format of formal letter. Whenever we start writing a formal letter, first of all we'll write about the sender's address. As you all are noticing that in the given example, the sender's address is written at the first. After that, leave a line, then write the date. After writing the date, again you have to leave a line. Then, the letter, as you are writing the letter to editor, then you will write the address of the addressee, that is the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. After writing the address of the addressee, again you will leave a line, then you will give the salutation, that is sir or ma'am. After writing the salutation, you will again leave a line, then you will write the subject. As you all know, the subject line is written to focus attention. After writing the subject, you will start writing the body of the letter that has three parts. First of all, in the first paragraph, you will write the introduction. Then, in the second paragraph, the main content of the letter is given. Then, in the third paragraph, conclusion is given. After completing the body of the letter, you will write, thanking you, yours sincerely, faithfully, or truly. Anything that you want to write. That is known as the complimentary close of the letter. After closing the letter, you will write the sender's name and the designation. If that is given, if it is not given to you, then you will write the name only. This is the format of formal letter. Next, I would like to tell you the format of informal letter. As you all know, in the format of formal letter, I told you that first of all you will write the sender's address. Same is here. Here you also have to write the sender's address first. Then after writing the sender's address, you will leave a line, then you will write the date. After writing the date, again leave a line. Then you will write the salutation, that is dear father, dear mother, dear brother or dear sister. That is known as the salutation. Then you will write the body of the letter. It also contains three parts. First of all, it is introduction, then the main content, then the conclusion. After writing the body of the letter, you will close the letter. You will write yours lovingly, then your name. That is the format of informal letter. Children, I have told you the format of both the letters, formal as well as informal. I hope all of you must have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.